Although it's mainly for power boating, Miami is one of the biggest boating centers in America. Since I was traveling anyway today, doing some other stuff, I decided to stop by Miami, and it just so happened to be the Miami International Boat Show. I covered that last year, so we're gonna head back to it this year. There's a link popping up to last year's video if you wanna see it, but I'm heading to the show right now. The show is held on Virginia Key out in Biscayne Bay, so it's more convenient to take a shuttle or a water taxi there. I arrived before the show even started and was already busy. So I made it into the International Boat Show, walking in right now. I got here just a little bit early with the exhibitor pass from Hylas. Thank you. Actually on my way to their spot right now. This is the world premiere of the Hylas 60. It's a brand new yacht. We are going to take you on a tour of that boat first, and then we'll go see some of the other exhibits. We might check out Sunreef as well. All the major manufacturers there, and I wanted to visit as many as I could. The way this whole thing is set up is all the different boat manufacturers. There's 9 or 10 piers out here, and all the boats are set up here, static displays on all their new boats and everything. There are some like used boats for sale, but it's mostly new boats, I believe. And then they have rows and rows of air-conditioned tents. It is Miami, it is February, but it's still hot, you know. So need the air-conditioned tents. Don't forget all the bars around here too. Looking forward to that happy hour later. My first stop was at the Hylas Yachts Pier. They were debuting their brand new Hylas 60. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick run through, but in a later video, I will do a more in-depth review and tour of the boat. This is a Frere's design and slightly different than the traditional Hylas design. It does have a center cockpit and lots of great innovations, but the cockpit and the salon are slightly different than their traditional look. Their traditional teak look is still an option, but in this boat, they decided to go with the contemporary look. Forward is the guest cabin, head, and bunk room. And of course, the spacious master cabin. It was quite a treat to be at the world premiere for the Hylas 60. Did I mention that Miami is primarily a power boating center? So they have 2 huge tents full of power boats. They're not really my thing, but anything you want, from the bay fishers to like ski boats, all that, anything that'll really fit inside a tent. If you want the bigger yachts, they have the yacht show, which is a couple miles down the road at another marina. But this is where all the sailboats are, and catamarans and smaller power boats, stuff like that. But pretty much anything you'd ever need. My next stop was at Jeanneau Yachts. I had my eye on this Jeanneau 64 since I first saw it at the Annapolis Boat Show last year. I like the contemporary design with lots of great innovations. Inside is a very comfortable and utilitarian space. It has 2 identical cabins forward, each with their own head. In the forepeak, there's also a crew cabin with its own head as well. Aft is the master cabin with pretty decent headroom. It's a pretty impressive boat, and I would love to sail her. Stay tuned for a future video when we give you a much more detailed and in-depth look at this boat. All right, so got some friends here, and they want to take a look at this Sunreef 50. So just gonna, not a full tour like we've been doing the other one, just a brief tour on this one. Sunreef is a luxury sailing catamaran manufacturer based in France. They are known for their larger and luxurious catamarans. They make a 50, 60, 70, and 80. And say hello to Punky. You may remember her from a previous video.
Hello.
She jumped off a bridge somewhere at some point.
Yeah, I did at some point.
What do you think of the Sunreef?
I can't afford it, but it's nice.
It is nice.
A couple years maybe.
Yeah, a couple years. And this is world famous DJ, Dance Stash, Steph.
Hi guys.
So she's a friend of mine here. The Sunreef has 4 spacious cabins and a crew quarters. Yeah, and then of course we have the world famous Bob Burke. You may remember him from his Westport 130 video.
Relentless, yes, yes.
So I've tempted him over to the dark side of sailing. So
I love sailing, Bob. You know,
I know. I'm just busting you out. But so you're here looking for a yacht?
Yeah, I think, you know, I'd love to get a catamaran. I think that'd be a lot of fun, kind of maybe more of an owner-operator type situation. I think that'd be a lot of fun. And then, you know, the big boat is what it is.
Yeah.
But I think this offers a whole new side of boating, and I've always been in love with sailing, so why not?
Yeah, I mean this, you know, you have maybe 1 or 2 crew members and you don't have, you know, 7 of them and kind of get away a little more.
Exactly.
And you can go places that you wouldn't get to go in the Westport too.
Precisely. And maybe even a little more economical.
Yeah. Well, sometimes you can go for free. Well, it's never free. But,
No, never free, but fun. But yeah, Sunreef, it's like they put together a pretty quality product.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. I was very impressed with the flybridge. The larger versions even have a hot tub up there. As the boat show is ending, we took a water taxi over to the yacht show to check out some of the amazing boats they have there. This is the yacht show. The other one was the boat show. So now we're checking that out. So these are all the power yachts. Bob is a client of the Ferretti Group, so we headed over to their setup. It was definitely happy hour. Bob had his eye on this 70-foot Pershing, so we went over to take a look. As far as power boats go, I was very impressed.
It's cool, right?
I like this. I think I like it better than the Westport he has because it's like, you know, 1 or 2 crew instead of a staff of 7.
Right. Way less drama.
Yeah, way less drama.
And he can drive it.
Yeah.
So we can just pick up and go.
Places
like if we wanted to come meet you down in the Bahamas, we could easily just come over.
Whereas it's big production trying to get to Westport there.
Exactly.
Yeah, absolutely.
Perfect place for marina.
Wow, this is the master. This is beautiful. And you got these big open side lights here. This is really cool. Yeah. Boy, this is nice.
No,
This carpet's amazing too.
It's perfect for what we need.
You look good there.
I feel good here.
Yeah?
Throw the lines, man.
I'm happy to say that Bob actually has this boat under contract and is scheduled for a sea trial this week. Alright, so this is Jeanneau with Pershing. Thanks for having us on.
Absolutely. Hello, everybody.
Yeah. Tell us a little bit about the Pershing line of boats. What's
Sure. The Pershing line is all adrenaline.
Okay.
So this boat does 46 knots top end.
Wow.
40 knot cruise.
Okay.
You can handle it like a fighter jet on the water. It's strong, it's quiet, it's sexy.
Yeah, it's very sexy, that's for sure.
It's an amazing boat.
What? This is the 70-footer. What do these go for?
This is about a $5 million retail.
Okay.
And we will spec it any way the owner likes.
Okay.
We do produce for our own inventory as well. So this is one of ours.
Okay.
And we spec it to a very rich build.
Right. Oh, it's nice. So if any people want more information about the Pershing, how can they do that?
they can go to the Pershing website. They can reach out to me, the brand manager here in the U.S.
Okay.
Or come see them at the showroom in Fort Lauderdale.
All right, so it's Pershing.com or
It's Pershing-yacht.com.
Okay. All right. Well, cool. Thanks,
All
sir.
right. Thank you.
So we had a great time in Miami. We're signing off for the evening, but thank you so much, guys, for checking this video out. All the other videos of the other boats we filmed tonight will be up soon, and please click like and subscribe. Thank you.